There's a good one. Yeah, I tell you what, guys, I was gonna come down here and do a catch and cook for y'all, like I said I was gonna do. Oh, now stop it. There are a few things that kept me from doing that. One, I just got done eating the biggest Memorial Day cookout dinner that one could ever possibly eat, I do believe. So I'm not necessarily hungry. Two, well, I don't have a single burner camp stove. I need to pick one of those up so I can put that lakeside catch and cook together for you guys. But we're catching a few crappie down here this evening. That's right, y'all. It's time to tip it with a little nibble. We found them. Water's muddy as all get out, but we found some fish. This is going to be a little prelude to the catfishing I'm going to be doing here in a little bit too. You guys are going to come along with me on that one as well. So, a little multi-species trip. Figured I'd come down here, jig these docks a little bit before I went and set up fish for some blue cats tonight. Tell you what, I actually hadn't planned on fishing at all this weekend. It's Memorial Day weekend, so every spot, there's quite a few people on it. I told myself I wasn't going to fight the crowds, but I can't help it. I got to get out and catch some fish. Y'all know how that is. Dang it. Oh, dang old wind blowing my plastics around. Come on, Mal. Don't need that. There's the structure I'm pulling up out of the freaking lake. I don't like that at all. I want that to stay down there. Well, that spot's probably done. That sucks. There's one. Yeah, probably another little bit of a short, but pretty black male. They still got their tuxedos on down here. I'm pretty surprised about that, to be entirely honest, but getting a little bit late. We'll bump him just to make sure. Well, that one will go 10. There's another one. I just push right up against that bank over there. The males are anyway. Don't catch too many females over there. Tail's a little bit tattered from fanning beds. You just bass fishing?
Whatever hits on it, but yeah, generally bass.
Gotcha. I was gonna say, I got some extra crappie plastics if you want to use a couple.
Seems like a lot more fun than what I'm doing.
You got any jig heads with you or no?
Yeah, I got a variety of stuff in here, yeah. I believe so anyway, I'll have to look.
There he is. That's a real nice one there, guys. Oh, dang it. Came off right at the bank. Oh, dang it. Threw right up into the rocks. That's all right. I'm going to give this guy. That's all right. I got plenty. You got a small float?
I've got these.
Yeah, here. You want to use this one here.
Cool.
Yeah, here, let me
Yeah,
do this.
I know.
real
I've
quick.
got some of those somewhere. I thought they were, all my small stuff was in this box, but I got another box at home that's got my crappie stuff, or my
Panfish and stuff.
no, muskie.
Oh, I got you.
Muskie baits.
And use them crappie nibbles you got there too.
I tried that.
Yep.
on a hook.
Tip them. Yep. Just tip these plastics with that crappie nibble and just pop that float right along the bank at about probably a foot deep, and you'll be in good shape. But that's the color I'm using right there. It's just right there on top of your spoon, buddy. No problem, man. Yeah, we got storms rolling in, guys. This may be a fun night. Yowza. Now, there's some pretty strong storms down to the south of me. I don't know, we may get cut short tonight, y'all. Keep an eye on things. Hang on to your hats. Holy shnikes, y'all. Things are getting real around here. Watch out now. Watch out. Oh, come on. Get out of there. There we go. Well, shoot, I don't know if I should go ahead and throw for shad, get set up for catfish, or what. I'm gonna need to make a decision here soon, though. There's a spot that I might go catfish at. I can sit in my car. Yeah, y'all, that's what we're working with out here tonight. We got random pop-up thunderstorms coming in everywhere. Some more over there. Fortunately, they're coming in from the south, and back down to my south doesn't look too terribly bad, so I'm hoping we may miss some of these storms. Well, y'all, I was going to do some catfishing, but just got a call from the missus, and we don't have any power on back at home, so somebody's got to go get the generator going so the sump pumps keep running in the basement. Mother Nature, she thinks we need a whole lot of rain apparently this spring, so sump pumps have been running like crazy and I can't let my basement flood. I may check back in with you here in a little bit. We may do some catfishing yet, I don't know, but if I don't, thank y'all for watching. Can't catch them, sitting on the couch. See you on the next one, y'all.